Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Pilot's engine oil. This is a straightforward maintenance task that can save you time and money. First, you will need to gather a few key items: a new oil filter, 5 to 6 quarts of the correct engine oil, a drain pan, a wrench, and an oil filter wrench. Always make sure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool to the touch before you begin. Safety first. Now let's get to draining the old oil. Position your drain pan directly under the oil pan's drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old, dirty oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes about 10 minutes. Once the flow slows to a drip, clean the area and replace the drain plug using a new crush washer for a proper seal. Tighten it securely, but do not over-tighten. With the old oil drained, it is time to replace the oil filter. Use your oil filter wrench to loosen and remove the old filter. Be mindful that some residual oil will likely spill out, so have your drain pan ready. Always check to ensure the old filter's rubber gasket did not stick to the engine block. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new engine oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it is snug, and give it an additional 3/4 of a turn with your hand. Finally, let's add the fresh engine oil. Refer to your Honda Pilot's owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, typically around 5 to 6 quarts. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's oil fill port. Once filled, replace the oil cap. Start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds, then turn it off and wait 5 minutes. This allows the oil to settle. Check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct and inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter. You are all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.